In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Make.com with Notion. To begin, open Notion in your browser and go to the Getting Started area of your workspace. This is a simple place to start because it is part of Notion itself, and it will help you confirm you are signed into the correct account before you connect anything. Once you are in Notion, look to the left side menu and click Settings. This is where Notion keeps account-level options, including integration and security-related features. If you are in a shared workspace, make sure you are using the workspace where you want automations to run, because connections are tied to the account and can affect what tools can access. Inside Settings, find and click Connections. Connections is Notion's hub for linking outside tools, and it is the section you will use to discover and authorize integrations. Next, choose the option to browse connections in the gallery. The gallery is a searchable directory of Notion integrations, so you do not need to hunt around the internet to find the correct listing. When the integrations page opens, click into the search field near the top, then type Make. As you type, the results will update, and you should see the Make integration appear. Click on Make to open its integration page. This page is helpful because it explains what the integration does and confirms you are selecting the official option. On the Make integration page, click Learn More. This will take you to Make's Notion integration page, where you can start the setup process from the Make side. Read the page briefly if you want more context on what is possible, like syncing databases or triggering scenarios. Now click Get Started Free. Depending on what you see, you may click Get Started Free again on the next screen as you move through Make's onboarding. This is normal, and it is simply guiding you into creating or accessing your Make account so you can continue with the Notion connection. After that, you are in the right place to proceed with your Make and Notion integration setup. That covers everything you need to know.